Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2016 Ford Escape. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 9th month 2016 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive 6-speed manual transmission. We have the left-hand fog light, left-hand front guard, small crease on the top. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Has a left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand tail light garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Tow bar. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right-hand front door, small crease at the front. Factory 17-inch steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the right-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, tidy manual transmission centre console, tidy manual transmission gear stick, factory climate AC controls, factory media player, interior mirror, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. We have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.